Welcome back, YouTube. This is Electrify Your World coming at you. So what I have here is the half of the battery, two halves, to make one whole battery. It is a 14S 48P battery, like I mentioned before. The way that we're going to do it is that once everything's spot welded together, I'm able to put it together into one single battery, into a nice clean package. Over here on the far side is going to be my main negative, and right at the other side is going to be my main positive. The way that I'm going to be able to do this is I'm going to spot weld this 4 sets first, and then after I spot weld these 4, I'm going to spot weld the next 4, and then the next. But before I go into my fifth set, I'm gonna put these two together with this nickel strip. Or actually, I have pieces right here also of nickel strip to weld together, and so on and so forth. The way that I'm gonna be spot welding is I purchased this battery portable pulse spot welding machine on Amazon. It's this big, so it's not as big as the other welders, but I have heard that the lugs do get warm. But we're gonna try it out and see how well it works for us. So let's get started. Actually, we will put this battery aside, put this aside. Let's actually start cutting the nickel strip. So since this is 12P, let's see, 11, 12. So what we can do is just cut it with scissors. It cuts just fine, no issues. Goes on there pretty well. Not bad. 2, 3. Double side is 14. So we need 28 pieces. We already have one. Start counting. So we will just put this on top and cut. One. Like I mentioned before, my other battery I did solder. Everyone says that, or every word that I've read, they say solder is not a good solution due to the fact that it heats up the battery and will cause problems. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Woof. I'll damage that. Instead of wasting this paper, just throwing it away, we'll start putting it over the other nickel strip. And that way, they don't stick together. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay. So out of that 60-foot roll, I think we use about 20 feet. We will place some black electrical tape to hold it together. And there you have it. Put this on the side so when we need it again. I've also purchased some Kapton tape, high heat Kapton tape, to put it over just to keep the batteries from frying each other. So let's try it out. Main negative. You know what? I think we should put some Kapton tape on this, just in case it does touch whatever part of the battery. We do have some kind of insulation between this. With batteries, you can never be too careful. So with this battery portable pulse spot welding machine, hopefully it goes well. Okay, let's turn it on. We're gonna go for level 3 and see how well that spot welds. Not bad. I'm gonna add 4 spot welds in each area. Yeah, that's not bad of a spot weld, actually. After so, since this is the main negative, we're gonna put some Kapton tape so we don't accidentally shock ourselves some way, somehow. That's nice and covered. We'll do 2 layers of Kapton tape. So, it's actually, let's write negative. So we know this is the negative side. Oops. That was pretty hot. Eight left. So how far are just to okay. Okay, here it is. We've already spot welded the first negative, so this is technically a 2S 48P